Hi, today I'm just going to give you some exercises you can do if you've got a bad back, a bad lower back specifically. We're going to look to increase the mobility in that area by doing some exercise and some stretches, which ultimately, if you've got tension which is causing you pain, you're going to free that up and hopefully create some relief from that pain. The first one we're going to do today is going to be a squat. Again, if you are in pain and you can't come all the way down on this, or maybe you need a chair or a table to offer you some support, that's absolutely fine. Don't push. The pain shouldn't be excruciating. It should. You may be in some mild discomfort, some stiffness. Just work within the boundaries which you can. Hopefully, as you do the exercises more, you'll find that you'll be able to increase that range of motion and the pain will become less. So by moving the area, hopefully you will then be able to reduce the pain and increase your mobilisation of the whole lower back area. Okay, so the first one we do is be in the squat. We're just going to come down. If you can come all the way down, then do so. If you can only come halfway or maybe a quarter of the way, that's fine as well. We aim to push our bum backwards out to create a nice straight lower back. Again, you want to do about 10 to 20 of these in one go. Can always come back and do some more later, but that's a good number that will warm up the muscles and help us with our ongoing exercises. Okay, good. Next one we're going to do is just a stretch for the lower back. Getting down on the floor, kneeling position, we're going to sit back onto our heels, reach forward, and just sit back as far as we can onto our heels. Again, just hold this stretch. A good 20 to 30 seconds is good. Okay. Good. Next one we're going to do, add a little bit of strength into the back. As well as mobilise as well. Staying on all fours, just going to raise up one arm and the opposite leg. So a horizontal position, back down again. And then do the opposite sides. And again, 10 to 20 of these in one go is a good number. That's good. Next we're going to have another stretch. We're going to stretch out the glute area. It's the area, the buttock area. Again, this really contributes towards a lot of lower back pain. So stretching this out, getting rid of that tension is really going to help. Just going to bend the legs, sit down to the side, straighten the top leg out, and then you're going to lie down over the top of that bent leg. You really feel quite a strong stretch. Again, you can hold that one for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, till you feel the stretch ease a bit. Again, we'll do the other side. So again, one leg straighter, one leg bent. The next one we're going to do is going to be a lunge and a twist in one go. So the idea here is we're going to come down into a lunge, we're going to twist to the side, come back again, and then step back. We're going to come down again, twist to the other side, and back again. So you always twist to the side of the leading leg. Again, if you've got back pain and this hurts, then work within those limits. If you can only do a lunge and back again, then do that for now. And as the mobility increases, you can start introducing the twist. If you want to try the twist, just try it without the arms to start with. You can come back up, again, down without the arms, and back up. The full exercise, when you can get to it, is really good at mobilising that lower back and also increasing the strength in that area. Another simple but very effective exercise we can do. We're just going to reach down to the toe on the opposite leg and stand up. Reach down to the toe on the other side and up again. So doing about 10 of these is good. Helps to again work those muscles. Again, if you can't come all the way down, that's fine. You don't have to come all the way down. Or if you want to place a chair or a table in front of you to help, you can put one hand on there to help stabilise you and take some of the weight off of the lower back area. Again, the idea is that we're moving those muscles. That will warm them up, increase the blood flow and help them to function a lot better. Okay, just one more stretch we're going to do. It's just a stretch for the tops of the hip flexors here, which again, a lot of the time are involved in increasing the angle of your pelvis, which adds to the pain you experience from your lower back. So we want to make sure that they're not carrying any extra tension or not restricting the pelvis in any way. We're going to do a lunge position, and the whole idea of this is that we really want to try and turn the pelvis. By turn the pelvis I mean turn it this way. So you're trying to push the lower part of your pelvis forward, which will bring the upper part backwards. It will create a straighter back, so it will decrease the hollow in your lower back. When you're in that position, you should be able to feel the stretch in this area at the top of the leg. To increase the stretch further, you can put your hands above your head and reach up, and then you really should feel quite a strong stretch. That's good. Yeah, we'll do both sides. Okay, good. These exercises you can do on a daily basis, or even a couple of times a day, to mobilise the area, especially if you're in a job or an environment where you are sat down a lot of the time. By getting up and moving around, you'll find that you actually really do help control that lower back pain, and you'll feel a lot more agile and flexible with it.